Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you an affiliate marketing program where you can earn over $28,000 a month. That's right. Nope, it ain't clickbait. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do it in just a few minutes. Now recently, I joined a new opportunity called Nexus Rewards. All right, Nexus Rewards is basically, it's a cashback app and savings portal. This is where people can go and get access to cashback apps where you can get discounts and money back on purchases that you already are making. All right, so when it comes to Nexus Rewards, they have two different membership options. They have the free option. Now the free option, you can join right now, get started, and you will get access to these apps, right? These cashback apps. You probably heard of them, but you might not be using them. But anyway, once you join as a free member, you get access to these apps. Now with these apps, you can start shopping, doing what you're doing, and actually earning cash back. You also can earn cash from referring other people to these apps, and that in itself is cool. You might just be happy with that right now and be like, yo dude, thank you, I'm good, I'm ready to rock and roll as a free member, and that's fine. But Nexus Rewards has a second membership option, and that's what I recently joined, and that is the premium membership. Now the premium membership is only $21.95 a month. That's it. Basically just call it $22 a month, and you will have the opportunity to earn a huge monthly income. All right, so once you decide to become a premium member, you're going to get access to more cashback and savings apps, and you're going to get access to more discounts on like hotels and travel and medication, all that kind of stuff. As a premium member, you're going to get access to that. But the key, and to me, the most amazing benefit of becoming a premium member is their business opportunity. All right, so as a premium member, you can now go out and promote Nexus Rewards, and you're going to get $10 for every premium member that you get to join the company. All right, so out of $22 a program, you're going to get 10, right, every month. Now they do have that network marketing aspect to the company, which is fine, but this is where, yes, you will earn money from the people that you bring in. When they bring in people and those people bring in people, you're going to be earning residual income from that. This is how you can earn over $28,000 a month, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a second. But here's the thing, I like to keep it real. I love affiliate marketing, right? I'm actually looking at this more as I'm trying to get those $10 commissions, right? Because they add up. Because this is a super easy program to promote. Because who doesn't want cash back, right? Who doesn't want to be able to get discounts on going out to eat and travel and insurance? Like, this is super easy to promote, right? Now, when I share with you how you can earn over $28,000 a month from building a team of premium members, right? Keep in mind, this is only based off of everybody only bringing in 5 people, right? This is based off of 5 people. Now look, that's fine, that's great, but I'm not just trying to bring in 5 damn people. I'm trying to bring in 5,000 people. All right, and that's the mentality like I think you should take with this. All right, so think about that. At $10 a pop, you bring in 5,000 people. That's $50,000 a month. All right, without nobody else doing nothing, without nobody on your team doing nothing. Right now, you even break that down and say, all right, I just want 1,000 people. I'm bringing in 1,000 people at $10 a pop. You'll be making $10,000 a month. Now, to keep it honest with you, if you bring 1,000 people in, most likely those people are going to bring in a lot of people too. So your earning potential is crazy. All right. So check this video out right now. This is how you can earn over $28,000 from Nexus Rewards. And keep in mind, if you want to join the team, all you got to do is click the link below. Once you join the team, I'm going to hook you up, if you need it, with your own lead capture pages like you're about to see. And I can hook you up with emails and just all around support to help you build an incredible income. So check this out, and I will see you on the team. Peace.
You put in a handful of people, and then you get duplication, and all of a sudden you have tens of thousands of people. Well, here is assuming you can get exact duplication. Here are how the levels would roll out. If you only had 5 people duplicate, and then they went and they got 5, that would be 25 people on your second level under the 5 that you brought in. That would be $25 at the $1 that you would earn on your second level. These are the amounts you'll get paid right here. On the third level, 25 who get 5 right there. On level 3, you're looking at that amount there. And then 125, and they duplicate. Again, you're going to have a lot of people that don't. We're just talking about the 5 that do. 5 who get 5, who get 5, who get 5. 625, again, you're at $1 a month per head on the fourth level. You can see it went down a little bit on the third, but the bulk of your organization is going to be on your fourth, fifth, and sixth level in your first year. No question about that. Unless you're really big, and then it'll be even lower than that, you'll get paid on that. But I'm just walking you through 6 months and 6 levels right there, assuming you get the same duplication of people getting 5 each month. It'll give you a whole month to get your 5. You'd have 3125, right? 625 people getting 5 people. That's 3,125. Look at that. On the 5th level, you get $1.25, and on the 6th level, you get $1.50. And again, 3,000 people times 5. There you go. That's what would happen if you got the exact duplication. You add up all those levels of income right there, and that is $28,285 in income in month 6. Now, you look at that and you say, does that really happen? Well, we can chop it up, and we can do all kinds of things to it, which I'm going to here in one sec. I just wanted to show you this in a chart format. If you see the number of members and then the commission per member, there you go. That's what I just walked you through. I think I'm going to ditch that previous slide and just make it all that right there. You're seeing it for the first time, obviously. I just made all of this. But as you rank up, you can literally reach down 10 levels. I just showed you 6, okay? And that's how powerful this is. When I said these owners know what they're doing, that's what I'm talking about right there, because they knew they could pay out on those 10 levels. And actually, you can get paid to infinity until someone matches or exceeds your rank. And then you will stop on the infinity and so forth. But I mean, all you got to do is just focus on that right there, and you are going to get where you want to go. So pretty amazing. And by the way, I took that from the previous slide. I talked about the 6 levels down, but let's say that 75% of that never happens. Let's subtract 75% from that 28,000. That would still be 7,000 a month right there. So that's a residual, and that's going to come in month and month out.